Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to integrate this function 1 divided by the square root of x plus x with respect to x. Don't forget to like, comment and share to your learning colleagues. Let's get started. Before we proceed, I would like to factorize the denominator by factoring square root of x outside. So this becomes the integral 1 divided by the square root of x. Inside, we're going to have 1 because this is outside. Then plus, what can we multiply by square root of x to get x? It is indeed square root of x dx, right? Because square root of x times 1 is square root of x. Square root of x times square root of x is equal to x. All right, then I think I can rearrange it as this is equal to the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus the square root of x, right, multiplied by dx divided by the square root of x. Yes, this and this mean the same thing. So by substitution, let u be equal to 1 plus the square root of x. If you differentiate both sides, you have du equal to derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of square root of x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Don't forget we have dx. All right, but remember we have in our main integration we have dx over square root of x. So I think we can multiply both sides by 2 so that this becomes 2 du is equal to dx divided by the square root of x. Yes. So now let us back substitute. All right, let me come down here. We have 1 over u because we have left the whole of this to be equal to u. So this becomes the integral of 1 divided by u multiplied by dx over the square root of x. Dx over the square root of x is 2 du, but I can bring the 2 outside. Then we have du inside, all the same. So what is the integral of 1 divided by u with respect to u? It is nothing but the natural log of the absolute value of u, because we want it to be positive. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by the natural log of the absolute value of u, then plus the constant of integration. But remember that u is equal to what? 1 plus square root of x. We know that 1 is already positive. Square root of x is always positive, so we don't need this absolute value. Finally, we have 2 multiplied by the natural log of 1 plus square root of x, or square root of x plus 1, all the same. Square root of x plus 1, then plus the constant of integration. You should know that this constant of integration belongs to the set of real numbers, and hence, this is said to be the solution to this problem. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.